dear sister, la 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 la. Happy congrats, dear sister, la 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 la. We wish you happy congrats. May God bless you, la 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 la. May God bless you, la 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 la. May God bless you, la 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 la. We wish you happy congrats. We wish you happy congrats. May God bless you, la 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 la. May God bless you, la 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 la. May God bless you, la 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 la. We wish you happy congrats. We wish you happy congrats. Jaiti Kusti Song Te Oro Kutumlai Nairo Chini Parish ni member of the leader song catechist song Te Depachirani catechist song Te Joto Oro Kutumlai Nairo sister song brother PP secretary ang belai ke tong todo ang sakpaika o maso baroma ketaro Chini bagai Catholic Mondalni bagai, Chini Parishni bagai, Sister Koroksa Thai Chumno Manjak Jisu Chumno Bono Rakha Chini bagai, Parishni bagai, Tei SD Congregationi bagai. Abani bagai SD Congregation ni Sister Songbo O din kaham ke palina bagai borok sofai ka borok no chung kaham ke lamsogo chini parish hote oro jaga chini sister Rina ni nukungo sister song no chung lamsogoi borok no chung hambai chung ruo. Dear sisters, we are very happy with your very presence, especially for having given, formed and given, as Jesus called her, Sister RINA Jamatia from this family, and Jesus selected her, and Jesus has sent her through your
Angkai terna hambai bo anu norok mi bisingo kaham kerengke tabui faimani bagai tei norok anu naithok tei hamjak ma bai yasak mani bagai norok bebak no hambai ya fara norok mi munai mung resap mung tei suri mung bai ang kubui ke hamjak ma tei hamari mangka tei ang norok no ani khabai hambai rebo tamni hingke norok suri ma bising tise ang khoroksa tini sister ungi mano ani phan bai ya abo norong suri mani bising tei te kai tor soba mani bising tei antini khoroksa sister ungi mano Huila ang chini parish priest Father Legis ni thani ase hamjak ma bai barok ma katharia pharmani bagai ani bagai suri mani bagai hambai rebo. Thank you Father for your encouragement and your constant spiritual support to me and my family. Thank you so much Father. They on O parisho tongnai sister songna bo hambai marubo chini sister Ajaya tei dini community no sister Rose, sister Celine and all my dear sisters, your presence fill my heart with happiness and joy and gratitude because you present all my family which I belong now the SD family. So I feel that I am loved and supported by your presence. Thank you so much sisters. A special word of remembrance and thanks to pioneer sisters of our parish, Sister Sina Rose and her community, who were here when I joined the SD family. Their prayerful life, simplicity and dedication to the poor inspired me deeply in my early life. Today I remember them with love and gratitude. Ang puila daily thankful Sister Celine Saka, Angko Borok Simina Mama, Velai Costo Kelaika Fiaba, Sister Somte Ani Logero by action by ke communican maclere. Velai Costo Kelaika, Kobusiake, Hyphonotini, Kaitor Songma by Kaham no Kabebana, and sisters de Logero Velai Kaham. God has His own plan. He wanted me to depend completely on His grace.
This love is